Hi everybody, this lesson is going to take your Excel skills up a notch. We'll move from simple entry and formatting to analyzing data, building logic, working across multiple sheets, and preparing clean professional printouts. And so we're going to start with flash fill and the core statistical functions. So we're going to see how flash fill detects patterns to split or even combine text without the use of any formulas. Then we're going to use the sum, average, median, min, and max to quickly summarize ranges. And then along the way, you'll get comfortable with function arguments and reading results versus underlying formulas. Next, we'll move on to adjusting data by dragging and dropping, resizing columns, and fix common errors like the number symbols that might display when a column isn't wide enough. And you'll also learn to rotate text and merge headings for clearer labels. Then we'll add light analytics with the count, countif, and if functions. And so you'll learn how to write logical tests as well as apply comparison operators and use conditional formatting, including data bars. And these just help spotlight high or low values. And then we're also going to practice the find and replace to clean data really quickly. In addition, you'll learn date and time basics with the now function and why it's volatile. Also, freeze panes so that headers stay put while you scroll through larger data sets. From there, we're going to convert ranges into Excel tables so that you can sort, filter, and add total row in seconds, and then just switch back to a normal range if needed. For long sheets, we'll set up clean printouts. We'll also use the print titles, scale to fit, and the split window for multi-pane viewing. And you'll also know how to zoom in for detail, zoom out for the big picture, and print exactly what matters. You'll also practice workbook organization by navigating and renaming worksheets, as well as entering dates properly. We'll learn how to clear contents versus how to clear formats, and use the paste options gallery with what's called live preview that helps to control how copied data lands. And then to work faster across files, we're going to group worksheets to edit and format multiple tabs at once, which is great for shared layouts as well as headings and number formats. Then we're going to build a summary sheet that rolls up totals from detail sheets, as well as add column spark lines for trends. And then we'll also try out the ifs function to handle multiple conditions cleanly. Finally, we'll format and print multiple worksheets consistently by using the page setup and custom headers, footers. And then finally, we'll choose whether to print the active sheet or the entire workbook. So let's get started with this week's lesson.